local public faces a lot of problems in their daily life due to a very bad conditions of road. Songja Ronghang not healed even after 3 months completion of his illness. 3rd August 2020, Dhaka celebrates the 7th birth anniversary. Good evening, I'm Mirang Ramsapi and today's news as follows. Hijung Langsa public faces a lot of problems in their daily life due to a very bad conditions of road. Most underdevelopment among the 26 constituencies of Amreng. With no water supplies, road constructions and electricity, the Karbis people of those hills are facing the hardest of time and the situations have reached a very severe condition. It is only during the year 1999 redstone chopping work has been done by the government till date. Whenever executive member elections are held, the members are voted to power during very elections, but all the goes in vain as no one takes the initiative of development the number 9 constituency. The BJP government slogan Sabka Saath Sabka Vikas reflected can be seen clearly from the development done to Hijung Langso, as even after ruling for 3 years of BJP government, Mrs. Rina Tirangpi has not even stepped her foot to the village, and it might be that she might not even know. It is only during the year 1999 that redstone chopping work has been done by the government till date. Whenever executive member elections are held, the members are voted to power during every elections, but all goes in vain as no one takes the initiative development to number 9 constituency. The BJP government slogan Sabka Saath Sabka Vikas reflection can be seen clearly from the development done to Hijung Langso, as even after ruling for 3 years of BJP government MSC, Mrs. Rina Tirangpi has not even stepped her foot to the village, and it might be that she might not even know that number 9 Amreng constituency does exist, says the villager.
La mane direct ha kopi parus dam tuar sta cileng le del.
Government men kopi pilo nara panan teman.
Dak mane na prang la de PWD tim la betai si nang rap lo la harawang thok pilo lan char na.
Comment to ningkan lah.
Mane 19 kene 89 99 ningkan.
99 aningkan.
99 ningkan nang thok chat nang thok thepin lo.
Sorkar tum pilih thok pin puawi mana.
Awe ya tawe.
Non jitu BJP sorkar jitu lah Rina Tirangpi.
Kang tawe lah ni tim saya ta tamang pipe. Me ya taneme.
Naltum kesukiun eko sono poni ponte.
Isu ni adalah dak panon hong rapilin ke salam bom mati. Isu kedang tanga ciklon ansi kan pon mati mat. Asodan ke pu cibu pon bom jar bak pon bom sedam bom.
Papar ilo ke di.
Lason lah.
Nal ko na ano hospital ke?
Jadi indeng lah.
Jirene ko ano khailo na ba jirene.
Dak pan 4 kilometer lah.
Pas komentar le. Kibu syar bak pon si pon.
Lason lah kai tada sono kelagari ben si pon.
Rina Tirangpi dak bak ma.
Wang we.
If KAAC keep neglecting the local people of those villages, will be the great danger and problem. Same way, if the Karbi people of the border and the hills are not looked after, then in the coming future, the entire community from those hills will be wiped off. Coming once during the election period will not develop the constituency. Coming once during the time is not but dumping the public. The constituency will develop with time in the only hope the villagers sees, says the Khirwani correspondent Mr. Joyram Kathar. Mr. Songja Ronghang fell sick during the COVID-19 disease pandemic in India and the first lockdown that had started in Assam. At first, he felt and observed to the pain in his leg. After taking him to various hospitals for treatment, shows no improvement. His leg still stay curved, making him helpless and to stay lying in a bed for 3 months. To this came another layer of problem. To the parents of Mr. Jutang Ronghang fell sick along with his younger brother. Mr. Jutang Ronghang is the eldest son of Mr. Diva Ronghang, who had cleared his Class 10 examination this year 2020. Their parents are under serious stress due to the insufficient amount of money for the treatment.
Bangamen ke Songja Ronghang, bini boso koida high school si Charibom, sirkiap anding, ngapen hala kling bangke amen ke Jutang Ronghang, pining si mana da dongka Don Bosco sojong pen kiap anding ki undulah. Si sa tuduran Ronghang setamena di suku kisu kecilang bomalong kerap kan piring kan si alat kanta juni lo la penedak nistum lokel emisi mate sa timun sarsame la nili suku kisu silang bomalong hang kerap di si nilihin pen kacungi padupon.
As their son are not showing any sign of recovery, even after 3 months, patient's father and mother expressed their hope for health and support to the graveness from KAAC CM Mr. Tuliram Ronghang informed to the media, said the correspondent Dongkamuka Mr. Francis Teron. 2020, Jaka celebrate their 7th birth anniversary. Around 11 a.m. at KSYC CEC office, the Jakas organization celebrate their 7th birth anniversary. The Jakas chairman, Mr. Khorsing Teron, cut the cake on the 7th birth anniversary at Karbi Students and Youth Council KSYC CEC office. In the presence of Jakas Vice Chairman Mr. Stalin Ingti and the other 7 social organizations KSYC, KSA, KFA, KSU, KAIYA, KNA, and KUYA. The early years, the Jakas there were 20 social organizations, but as years passed by until the 7th birth anniversary, the only remaining social organization is 7, which is KSYC, KSA, KFA, KSU, KAIYA, KNA, and KUYA. Said by the chairman Khorsing Teron. The only remaining 7 organizations will be invited for the talks, and new plans should be invented in order to get a separate state. As DMCH was flooded in short durations of rainfall, the Jakas showed the mercies. So the Jakas told the media that DMCH should be changed in the different place, said by the correspondent Tifu Mr. Tengbeng Inglang.
Nian nili tum gaji si ke bangka lain lo. To ihu di si pirthe lang from karbiarat ka jesong men angbong sila so Jakas bang seng lo. Lapen la so Jakas an tek ana bangke. Kopin la toks ang deng pli ana bangke cingkilo la so pen chun chedet lo laki chun chedet bang non bangke rat atum bang si insai nai konat kopi komat ajoy ne si ki chun chedet mahala so bang ke tek keri atum karbiang long jasamet ke nili intellectual tumbang la sobang analyze di rat angno kasi non amat ili tumbang pan kenangi bangke intellectual leadership bang ta ili tumbang pan kenang sabdu kasi jong si ili tum lapen piniar ni neli karbiang long arat pan ketan apan isya message ipigang tumbang la elo jong si karbiang long arat ininga klong pen autonomous state hemprek kenang wegji pulute eson sonia kambang ili tum claim nang.
And that's the end of the today's news. Thank you and you have a beautiful evening.